How to fix keyboard on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. On the Transfer or Reset iPhone page, simply tap the Reset button located on the bottom side. A pop-up with several different reset options should open up. From the option, select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Then for security purposes, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode before you can proceed to reset the keyboard. After confirming, the keyboard dictionary will be reset. Following these steps, you can easily fix the keyboard on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.